In the last lecture, we have discussed the quotient topology and proved that the quotient topology is the largest topology. Today, I will discuss some important theorems related to quotient topology. Let us prove the theorem which states that let xt and yv be two topological spaces and f be a mapping from x to y, and it is given as continuous and onto, such that f is either open or closed. Then V is the quotient topology on Y. First, we know that quotient topology TF on Y related to T and F is the largest topology on Y, such that F is continuous. And here V is any topology on Y for which F is continuous. So, by the definition, it is clear that V is contained in the quotient topology TF. Now, we shall consider the following two cases, and for both the cases we have to show that V is equal to TF. As we have shown here, V is contained in TF, so we have to show that TF is contained in V. Case first is let F be an open mapping. Since we want to show that TF is contained in V, so we take any member of TF, set let G belongs to TF. Then by the definition of quotient topology, inverse image of G under F is T open, as F is an open mapping. Open mapping means F image of any open set is open in Y. So, F is an open mapping. So, F image of F inverse G is open in Y. And since mapping is also onto, so F of F inverse G is equal to G, and so G is V open. That is, G belongs to V. We have taken any member of TF and we have shown that that member also belongs to V. So, TF is contained in V. As V is contained in TF always, so V is equal to TF. Now, we consider the second case, let F be a closed mapping. Then we take some member of TF, that is, let G belongs to TF. Then by the definition of the quotient topology, inverse image of G under F is T open and its complement is T closed. But this complement of F inverse G can be written as F inverse of Y minus F inverse of G, since X is equal to F inverse of Y. So, F inverse Y minus F inverse of G, but this is equal to F inverse of Y minus G. And since X minus F inverse G is T closed and this is equal to F inverse of Y minus G, so F inverse of Y minus G is T closed, and we have taken here F is a closed mapping. So, image of any closed set under F is also closed, and so F of F inverse of Y minus G is closed in Y, and since mapping is also onto, so F of F inverse of Y minus G is equal to Y minus G, and so this is V closed, and so its complement is open in Y, that is, G belongs to V. We have taken any member of TF and we have shown that that member belongs to V, and so TF is contained in V. As V is always contained in TF, so we have the equality, that is V is equal to the quotient topology. Now we shall prove another theorem which states that let Xt be a compact space and Yv be a Hausdorff space. If F is a mapping from X to Y and it is continuous and onto, then V is the quotient topology on Y. Let us prove this theorem. So, first we shall show that F is a closed mapping. So, to show this, we consider a closed subset of X and we shall show that image of that closed set under F is closed in Y. So, let F be any closed subset of X. As closed subset of a compact space is compact, we have proved this result. So, closed subset of a compact space is compact, and here since F is closed in X, which is given as a compact space, and so F is compact. And since continuous image of a compact set is compact, and here F is a continuous mapping and F is compact, so F image of this compact set F is compact subset of Y, and Y is given as a Hausdorff space, and we know that any compact subset of a Hausdorff space is closed. So, F of F is a closed subset of Y. So, we have shown that F image of any closed subset of X is closed in Y. So, we can say that F is a closed mapping, and here F is F is onto and continuous, and it is a closed mapping. So, from the last theorem, we can say that V is the quotient topology on Y. Here, see, in the last theorem, we have shown that F is a continuous mapping and it is onto, and if it is open or closed, then V is the quotient topology. And here we are using the same result. Here F is onto, continuous and closed mapping. So, V is the quotient topology on Y. Thank you.